So hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Charan Malayala. So as usual, same drill. So before starting the video, I request each one of you to share all the videos of my channel so that it will be helpful to all the students who are pursuing class 12, class 11 and who are taking the drop year to get seat in the prestigious institutes of India for pursuing BTech. Okay, so I think you all do that for me. So coming to this video, so yet another prestigious exams in India for pursuing BTech to a prestigious institute in India and best private college in India, that is BITS. So Birla Institute of Technology Sciences. So to get seat in that particular college, you need to attempt an entrance exam called BITSAT. So I will give you glimpses about that entrance exam in this video. So stay tuned to the video and so if you have any doubts regarding any other entrance exam, just do ping me through any of the social media. So links in the description. So ping me there and you can also join in the Telegram group. There is a link in the description of this video. So you can join there. I will be there to help you out at any time. So without taking much time, let's get into the video. Chalo, BITSAT. BITS, Birla Institute of Technology Sciences Admission Test. So that is it's shortly called as BITSAT. Okay. So institutes which offer seat through this BITSAT entrance exam is BITS Pilani. So this is the main campus and a very beautiful campus in India for BITS, and then comes to Hyderabad and it is also amazing campus. Then also Goa. Prestigious institutes for pursuing engineering in India. Yeah. Okay. So not only engineering and also pharmacy. So you can also get seat in pharmacy and integrated courses through this BITSAT. So this is the prestigious institute and this is a prestigious exam which everyone must and should give after your class 12. So which is equal to a JEE main. Okay. So eligibility criteria for appearing or giving this BITSAT exam is, so 12th graduates. So 12th graduates with 75% aggregate in physics, chemistry and maths, and age limit should be 12th past year, so or the previous year. So if you want to pursue the pharmacy, so pharmacy course, you can here in place of mathematics you can replace it with the biology. Okay. So exam pattern. What is the exam pattern for BITSAT? So it is totally online. So physics 40 questions, chemistry 40 questions, logical reasoning 10 questions, English proficiency 15 questions, maths or biology that is 45 questions. So this is the part 4. So if you want to go to the engineering side, you should opt for maths, and if you want to go through the pharmacy side, you should opt biology. So as your subject in the entrance exam. So biology 45 questions or maths 45 questions. So time limit is 3 hours, maximum marks is 450. So total 150 questions, total objective, and correct answer will be given 3 marks, and if you are wrong, so if you choose the wrong option, there is a negative marking, that is -1 mark. So application process, apply online through BITSAT portal. So I will give the link in the description where main website of the BITSAT, so which will be useful to you, so you can go check there regularly. So fees will be male 3,300 and female 2,800. So fee for this exam is bit high, but it worth it. So male 3,300, female 2,800. Registration dates usually starts in December to January. So soon you will also receive an update regarding that. So stay tuned. Then exam date May. So students appear. So 2 lakhs people will appear for this exam. So yearly. Okay. This is approximate. So after this, what next? Nothing. Everything is notified on my channel. So after that, each and every process like slot booking, giving exam, admit card download, results check, counseling. So all this will be notified on my channel. Now just you need to do subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, turn it into all notifications. So you will receive notification whenever I upload content regarding any entrance exam or anything on my channel. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video with another entrance exam. So with another interesting topic, with another informative topic. If you find this as a time worthy video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.